Master bare floor cleaning with the stylish Electrolux Ergo Rapido Lithium-ion Brush Roll Clean Extra Vacuum, featuring a lithium turbo power battery. Ergo Rapido Lithium-ion Brush Roll Clean Extra is the 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum that offers the cleaning maneuverability of a lightweight stick vacuum with the convenience and ease of a handheld. Thanks to the advanced technology of a 14.4-volt lithium battery, the vacuum is ready to clean when you are. It recharges in 4 hours, 4 times faster than a nickel metal battery, and maintains superior suction power and fade-free performance throughout vacuuming. An extended runtime of up to 30 minutes provides longer cleaning with fewer interruptions. Electrolux skillfully engineered this vacuum to easily clean both bare floors and low-pile carpets in less time. Ergo Rapido's cordless design and 180-degree easy steer swivel head swiftly twists and turns around furniture in your home. And the detachable handheld vacuum cleans upholstery and countertops in one smooth motion. A crevice tool and dusting brush are stored in the vacuum's handle for easy access, so you can clean crevices, stairs, or above floor surfaces at a moment's notice. Maintaining the vacuum is easy with a patented self-cleaning brush roll. Brush Roll Clean technology clears tangles from the brush roll with the touch of a button. Dirt, tangled hair, and debris are removed from the brush roll and whisked away into the dust cup, so it never has to be touched for a no-mess, visible clean. Enjoy the cordless freedom, longer runtime, and cutting-edge bare floor cleaning power of Electrolux Ergo Rapido Lithium-ion Brush Roll Clean Extra.